I'm here with Michael and Neil from Easy Entry. And I'd just like to ask you a few questions. How are you enjoying the conference so far?
Yeah, no, it's really good. It's fantastic to be back again. We were here last year. Great to see familiar faces and a bunch of new ones. So it's a great event. It's really good. Everyone gets together and has a really good time. So
It's great to see you here. It's great to have so many attendees as well. May I ask, what would you like the IFCA members to know about Easy Entry?
I guess just what we're doing. So data automation through to freight systems such as like Expedient, Trade Window, and CargoWise. Just removing all of that unnecessary data entry. Pushing it on through an automated system, through an email system, get it all hands off and get you working on more important stuff.
Yeah, it's great what you're doing to make the technology work smarter and faster for freight forwarders. We're all trying to save time, and it's great to know that also you are industry professionals before, and so you know our true needs. What were you before?
We were customs compilers for a brokerage, and so we just one day decided that enough's enough. We need to automate the data automation. Data entry was just way too manual, way too much of it, and that's why we came up with Easy Entry.
It's a great idea, sir. Thanks so much for being here today.